Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Sunday, March 23rd, and had a request here for Facebook. So I want to take a look at three time frames. We're going to look at the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. Going by candle version, see what happens here. Facebook, has hit its top of 72 and is pulled back really nice. And I said over here, we were discussing this in the chat room and stuff, that we'd probably bounce soon and come up and test this middle bully again. And we did. We're still in a downtrend pattern, just to let you know, until we get up over this middle bully. Then we're just heading south. But right now, we have some buyers that stepped in on Friday with any selling that came into it, and we actually closed above this candle here, the lower body of this candle here. We did have the support here, so we've been talking about for quite some time. You have this candle, this candle, this candle, and this wick here, along with this candle here. So we have several bottoms in place right now, and it's really trying to hold this area. There's definitely buyers trying to protect it at the 67 level, and going to try and get this a little bit higher, it looks like. Your 50-day moving average is leveling off just a little bit, but nothing to be concerned about yet. Your relative strength index is still sitting here, just relaxing at 50. Nothing spectacular. There's no big move here, and your truck and money flow. I wanted to take a look at this. So some money's coming out of it, of course, as you can see here, as we're heading down. We need this to turn, flatten out, and start heading to the upside. So look for our consolidation zone, definitely. As for rolling over, I don't see it rolling over to the downside just yet. We have this protection in place right here, and this is the weekly. You have this candle, and this candle here, but this one's looking a little bit weaker. Okay, so if we do fall through this week of this support, we have to expect this to come down and pull this kind of move right here. You have this double top consolidate, come down, hit the middle Bollinger Band. If you look over here, the middle Bollinger Band was your protection last time. Your middle Bollinger Band was protection here on the big move. Okay, so the middle Bollinger Band has always been in place. So the potential for this to come down and hit 58 and then bounce is there. Your relative strength index is at 74, and 74 is pretty much requesting a pullback. So I think Facebook could definitely come down and get a little bit lower here. So your weekly showing, a pullback. Your daily showing a little bit of consolidation. Now taking a look at your monthly, it's a little bit undecided, but look at your relative strength index is at 78. Okay, so being at 78 for this one, right now you're teetering on the edge of holding this support, which is this support here and this support here. They come onto all the charts when I draw one. So right now you're sitting right there. If this fails, then yes, we're coming down, and we could come down to the bottom of this candle, and it's right around 63 area, but we'd create this hammer and be at 58, like I was saying over here, with the middle Bollinger Band. So we could have a nice little hammer, and that would be a buy point for the upside, because then you'll probably be oversold at that point, or at least ready to make a move to the upside. So I don't have any confidence in this going this week to be big green unless big volume comes into it. But we could have a nice pop off on the daily, so maybe a couple days where we get a pop up and then a sell off, or more of a sell off, a pop up, and then a sell off. So we'll have to keep an eye on Facebook. Join us live in the chat room every day, and we'll go over this every single morning and every single afternoon. So because it's a great trader, it moves very well. All right. Everyone, have yourself a great day. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Become a member today. Well worth the trip.